You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly with a very good English pronunciation. You're learning English, you need to master the pronunciation of this. TOEIC is how it's normally pronounced, the test of English for international communication, or simply pronounced TOEIC. TOEIC test. How to pronounce TOEIC level. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.